Hey guys, welcome back. Good evening. Welcome back to Solitary Scripting. Hope you guys had a good day. So, quick little update. I mentioned about the fact that I had an interview, right? So, was preparing for that. That seemed to have gone fairly well, but I still have to hear from the recruiter on, what was the result and how they like me as a candidate. So, yeah, waiting on that. It's been a bit stressful. So the past 2 days, today and yesterday, I had one round of interview each. So even though it's a customer support associate role, since it's for a pretty renowned MNC, I think they have a pretty nice standard process. So I'll let you know how it goes. And before we get started, so today is actually 20th January, and yesterday, 19th January, I unfortunately, took a break again. I did not write a single line of code yesterday. My brain just felt fried, and I had a bit of a headache and everything. So just took a break. But yeah, coming back stronger today, and also it's been a hell of a day. So let's see. I mean, we're still in bit manipulation. So as you can see, go to the assignments. I think I'll have to start off with rotate arrays, right? So I believe I'd already mentioned that the following questions moving forward are pretty, difficult. They're not as easy, but certainly, even if it's, 1 to 2 problems a day, it should be fairly good, right? So how many problems do I have left? I had, as per the original timeline, so I think I have only a week left to complete the remainder of the bit manipulation part. But on the new account here, I have like 10 days. So I'll try to do it in a week as much as possible. But yeah, I think here there is one English assignment this one should not take a lot of time as per. I think I can do this on the same day along with another problem, perhaps validate string and then do English assignments, or maybe do the English assignment and then the maximum number of words, whatever it is. So I'll figure it out. For today, I'll be starting with the rotate arrays problem, and yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on how it went, right? So thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting the channel. I see that, the YouTube algorithm has recognized that there is a teeny bit of value in my channel. So it's been getting a little more views of late, even if it's 1 or 2 or 3 views that I'm getting consistently. I'm happy to see, there's an improvement there, and and that also goes to show that even you guys want to know what's happening, right? uh, as and when things happen. I'm trying to post daily, but obviously, I mean, as the progress slows down, or if I'm, or this is the DSA, right? So it's just problem solving. But when we get to the web development part, it's obviously going to be based off of, completing projects and understanding concepts, right? So I think that will be advantage in the sense that perhaps I can discuss the concept and explain it in my own words here on the channel, and also I can have my own little side projects apart from what I'm doing on Sharpener, right? So yeah, I think that'll be cool. But yeah, that's it for now. So I'll get started on the next assignment in the next task in the bit manipulation module, and cool. I'll see you guys in a bit once I'm done with it, right? Yeah. Hey guys, I'm back. So I got done with one rotate array problem. No, actually, I thought a lot about it, but I almost had the logic, right? I was very close to it, almost had the logic, but in the end, I did have to look at the hint. So basically, what I did was I had written down, like, I'd figured out like 70% of it, but the remaining 30%, even while dry running, I didn't do it correctly. So, which is the reason I didn't, entirely get it. But nonetheless, I was happy that my at least my brain was at least thinking in terms of code, and I got to 60 to 70% of the answer, or I got the approach to some extent in my mind. But yeah, it was pretty tough, right? So I wrote a couple of lines of dry code on my iPad, and I was just pondering on how do I make this happen for almost 2 hours, right? And because Sharpener doesn't let you just unlock the hint just after like 5-10 minutes. So you'll have to wait for at least 50%. So the question had a 4 hour time limit, right? So I had to solve it in 4 hours. So you had to wait for at least 2 hours in order to get the hint, right? And it got, it was a bit frustrating at times that I just wanted to get the hint, but also I think that 2 hours of struggle trying to figure out how it was, even though I didn't get it, it at least, we need to make the most of it and be productive and at least try different approaches, right? Try every different thing you can think of, dry run the code, and then I think if you don't arrive at the actual answer, you'll at least get very close to it. So I think that is the goal. Yeah, and I'm just done. I feel like I'm done for today. I mean, I spent 2.5 hours just on a single problem, so I don't think I want to push it for the day. So, yeah, that's it for today. See you guys in the next one, or perhaps, I'll add the next question as well and then make it one bigger, one whole video, because I think just putting out this video of just solving one problem doesn't really make sense, but I'll see how that works out, right? I'll just see whatever is more comfortable or more easier for me. I'll just go with that. That's it for today. That's it for 20th Jan 2024. Thank you guys. Hope to see you in the next one. I definitely appreciate the support with both you and the YouTube algorithm has shown me. I do hope that you will subscribe to the channel, or please do subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for updates. Thank you guys. Bye bye.